Cypress Wetlands, Port Royal, South Carolina. Cypress Wetlands, Richmond Avenue View. Cypress Wetlands, mixed colony of nesting birds. Mixed colony of nestling birds, black-crowned night herons, snowy egrets and tri-colored herons. Black-crowned night herons, snowy egrets, and tri-colored herons frequently nest together in large, dense, multi-species wetlands communities known as mixed species rookeries or heronries. Black-crowned night heron, incubation period, 24 to 26 days. Tri-colored herons prefer to set up their nests in dense, well-shaded shrubs, trees, or mangroves. Tri-colored heron, incubation period, 21 to 24 days. Snowy egret incubation period, 21 to 24 days. Parents share the care of their chicks by taking turns building nests, incubating eggs, guarding against predators, and feeding the young. This mixed species has white ibises, snowy egrets, and tri-colored herons nestling nearby. 2 tri-colored heron nestlings. Their nestlings are born helpless and require parental care. Nestlings can start moving around the nest within a few days and begin climbing out of the nest around 11 days old. 2 healthy black-crowned night herons. Juvenile tri-colored herons moving through the colony. Black-crowned night heron nestlings leave the nest at about 4 weeks of age, climbing out to walk through nearby branches before they can fly. Juvenile black-crowned night heron branching. Tri-colored heron rises from its nest to prevent them from overheating. And it gives the parents the opportunity to preen its feathers and stretch its legs before resuming its position. Snowy egret fly from branch to branch with food to force the chicks to follow them to strengthen their wings and to prepare them for flight. Black-crowned night heron chicks start hunting and foraging for their own food around 6 to 7 weeks of age, once they learn to fly and become fully independent. Night herons hunt for food mainly from late evening through the night and until early morning because their eyes, packed with extra rod cells that help them see in the dark. After 30 days, tri-colored heron nestlings are fully feathered juveniles preparing to fly, practicing short trips, and moving around the branches near the nest. The juvenile snowy egrets have left the colony. They spend the day chasing their parents and learning to forage in shallow water with other birds. Black-crowned night herons spend the daylight hours resting, hidden and motionless in dense trees and bushes. Tri-colored herons nearing independence. Adult tri-colored herons make their older chicks and fledglings chase them around the rookery to encourage flight practice and teach them how to forage independently. By 5 weeks, they are strong enough to take their first flights and begin following parents between treetops to learn foraging skills. Tri-colored heron parents deliver meals in a process where older, aggressive chicks lunge and snap at adults, prompting the parents to respond with calming bows before finishing the final nest feedings prior to fledging. Most tri-colored heron fledge, the black-crowned night herons hunt in the evening, and the snowy egret are honing their foraging skills. Cypress wetlands, mixed colony of nesting birds. Cypress wetlands, Richmond Avenue view. Cypress wetlands, Port Royal, South Carolina.